study. This group of patients that we have sequenced, the mean age at first cancer diagnosis is 47.4 years. The mean age at first sarcoma diagnosis is 48.6 years. The majority of those that we've sequenced have a Caucasian ethnicity. And if we look at the burden of cancer within these patients, we can see that 18% actually have had more than one primary malignancy. So the burden of disease is really quite high. We've included a number we've included patients with a number of different sarcoma subtypes. You'll see those listed here, the most common of which was undifferentiated pleomorphic sarcoma, but we've also included leiomyosarcoma, chondrosarcomas, osteosarcomas. You can see them listed there. There's been a number of subtypes that we've included. Using the whole genome data, we've undertaken a rare variant burden analysis, and key to this has been the Medical Genome Reference Bank, or the MGRB. So this is a publicly available repository of the genotypes of more than 2,500 healthy elderly Australians. We've come to refer to them as the Welderly, and they have been made up from two previous cohorts, the ASPRE and the 45 and up study. So at the time of blood draw in these individuals that make up our control data set, they are in their 70s and have no clinical history of disease or illness, and no current indications for that as well. So this is really an example of extreme phenotype sampling, where we have this Welderly cohort of 2,500 individuals, where we would expect there to be a depletion of deleterious variants within this cohort, and of course that makes them an ideal control data set for us to use when we're analysing further the sarcoma kindred study. As part of our analysis, we've classified the variants that we've detected as either C3, C4 or C5. So C3 are the ultra-rare missense variants that have been predicted to be pathogenic by the various in silico algorithms. C4 are the nonsense variants, and C5 are those listed in ClinVar as either pathogenic or likely pathogenic, with no conflicting reports. So we can